A Jackson's widow bird. This young male is new to the mating game. For the last 2 days, he's been busy constructing a 3 feet wide amphitheatre, complete with a strange central tuft. Now, to draw in a female, he begins his courtship call. Jumping up to 3 feet, he clears the undergrowth. He calls non-stop for up to 20 minutes until he catches the ear of a female. But he's not the only bachelor out to impress. Lots of them, all trying to attract the female by out-jumping and out-calling him to entice her